Hello and welcome to another episode of Local Expert Interview TV. My name is James DeBono and today I have with me Rita Gupta of LGFL in Hampshire. Hello Rita.
Hello.
Hi. As you can see from the credits today, our topic of discussion is how to find a good family law in Hampshire. And I'm sure everyone's aware that hundreds of people actually look for family lawyers in Hampshire each and every month. So, Rita, can you tell me three good things that people should look for when selecting a family lawyer?
Absolutely, James. The first thing I would say is look at the established reputation of the firm that you're seeking to instruct. So ideally, you should be looking for a niche family law firm. That means they've got a particular specialism in the area and they can offer you the range of options all across family law, from legal advice to dealing with court proceedings to mediation and collaborative law. The second thing I'd say is really look at the profile of the lawyer that you are seeking to instruct. So not only read their website, but look online. Sites such as LinkedIn often give you a lot of information about the lawyer. They may have testimonials, endorsements, recommendations from not only previous clients, but other professionals that have worked with that person. So I really would recommend that. And thirdly, I would see whether your lawyer is a member of any specialist organisations, such as the Law Society's Family Law Panel or Resolution. Particularly Resolution, it is a family law group committed to dealing with family law matters in a non-confrontational way. There's a code of conduct which solicitors have to adhere to, and that means that costs are kept proportionate, but it also seeks to take the heat off the situation. I really would recommend that if you're seeking to instruct a family lawyer, that they have to be a member of Resolution.
Well, that's some really excellent advice there, Rita. And for someone who's been in the practice of law for many years, what advice would you specifically give to someone?
I think before committing your case in family law, because it is so personal by its very nature, I think you should seek to have a no obligation or a fixed price interview with your lawyer prior to giving your case entirely. Lots of firms do a fixed price interview and some do a free initial obligation interview, and it's important that you can connect with the lawyer and that they communicate with you effectively. For example, if you're working abroad, you may want to do your interviews by Skype, or you may only want to receive emails only. But it's very important that you feel comfortable with the lawyer that you're seeking to instruct. The other thing I would say to you is that you need to address the issue of cost from the outset. If you've got a specific budget or somebody else will be funding your legal fees for you, you need to ensure the lawyer is very upfront with you about not only their hourly rate, but the likely estimate range of the course of action that you're taking.
Again, that's some fantastic advice there, Rita. And you know, building on that, if somebody was to come to you and phone LGFL today, what kind of experience would they get from their first point of contact?
Absolutely. Well, if you can either contact us by telephone, or there is a click button on our website which will enable you to book an interview with you. We do offer a free 30-minute no obligation consultation for new clients. That interview is either with myself or Anne Leaper, the other partner of the firm. Between us, we have over 40 years experience in family law. There is an online form that you can complete, which will be emailed directly to the partner and can give us information prior to the interview. You can complete that and it will help the consultation, but there's no obligation to do so. We'll aim to book you in within a matter of days, or if it's an emergency, on that day or the next day. We can do the calls by Skype or telephone, but we do prefer to see the client just because it helps establish that personal rapport. In that interview, we'll give you some very detailed advice as to your legal matter, we'll answer any questions, and we'll conclude it by giving you the range of options available to you, and perhaps most importantly for a lot of clients, what each option is likely to cost. We'll then allow you to go back with that advice, reflect on it, and then come back to us when you're ready to proceed with things.
Okay, great. So for somebody then who is looking for a family lawyer in Hampshire, you would recommend that, one, they check out the profile of the lawyer or solicitor online. Two, they look for their accreditations and find out how long they've been in business. Is that correct, Rita?
Absolutely. I think you need to, I would say niche would be my best advice to people. A niche family law firm, then you'll know you're getting specialist advice.
Okay, excellent. So there we have it. And I mean, if you have an urgent family law need and you would like to speak to a specialist in the area, please contact Rita. She's available at LGFL on 0118 973 9749. So once again, thank you very much, Rita, for joining us on today's episode of Local Expert Interviews TV. And once again, we look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.